Good morning, students. This is for class 3rd, subject reasoning, chapter number 8. This is our lecture number 8. Today's topic, alphabet series. Alphabet series, a set of letters arranged in a fixed order to form a sequence. This sequence comes together following a definite rule. Most of the times, an alphabet series or sequence will be present, and you will have to find the missing term. Beta, what does it mean? There are 26 alphabets A to Z. Everybody knows. कितने alphabets होते हैं? 26. A to Z तक. When these alphabets are arranged in a fixed order to form a sequence, it is called alphabet series. बेटा जब अल्फाबेट्स को एक फिक्स ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया जाता है एक सीक्वेंस फॉर्म करने के लिए उसको अल्फाबेट्स सीरीज कहते हैं। अब मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ ये बताऊंगी कि अल्फाबेट सीरीज में सीक्वेंस दी हुई होती है और आपको मिसिंग टर्म फाइंड करनी होती है सीरीज के पैटर्न को समझकर। क्लियर बेटा? नाउ with the help of example I will teach you alphabet series. Okay, now example. First of all beta we will read the alphabet series S C D comma T E F comma U G H comma dash. नाउ बेटा इस पैटर्न को समझो और हमें इसमें इस ब्लैंक को फिल करना है। ओके, सी हियर फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट ऑफ ईच ग्रुप। हियर 3 ग्रुप्स आर गिवन। ठीक है, इनके हमने तीनों ग्रुप के फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट को देखना है। ओके, हियर इन फर्स्ट ग्रुप फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट इज एस, second group first alphabet is T, third group first alphabet is U. So who will tell me which will be the next alphabet after U? V. So we will fill V here. Clear beta? Now we have to read next 2 alphabet. Okay, together. Clear? Here in 3 groups. In first groups we will read these 2 alphabets together C D. In second group we will read next 2 after T, next 2 alphabets together E F. Then here G H. Then tell me next alphabets after G H I and J. So we will write here I and J. Missing alphabets here V, I, J. So missing letters are V, I, J. Clear beta? Today's homework is beta you have to do these all questions in your notebook. Here beta in all questions alphabet series is given. Okay, you have to understand the pattern, then you have to fill the blank. Clear? In question 1 alphabet series is given B, D, F, H, dash. Option A is I, B is J, C is E and option D is C. आपको इन 4 ऑप्शन में से जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ना वो आपको ब्लैंक में फिल करना है as I told you, using that alphabet series pattern. Okay. Question number 2. D, H, L, P, dash. Option A Q, B R, C S, D T. आपने इन चार ऑप्शन में से you have to fill the correct option in the blank. Clear? Question number 3. AZ, BY, CX, dash. Option A EW, B LW, C DW, D WD. Okay. Question 4. Alphabet series is ZD, YC, XB, dash. Option A is WA, option B VB, option C WE, option D AW. Clear? Question number 5. Alphabet series is AWB, CXD, EYF, dash. Option A GHI, option B GYI, option C GZH, option D AZI. बेटा आपको इन चारों ऑप्शन में से जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है you have to fill there in the blank. वो आपको ब्लैंक में फिल करना है. क्लियर? नाउ बेटा वी विल डिस्कस होमवर्क टॉपिक कोडिंग 1 चैप्टर नंबर 7 लेक्चर नंबर 7. बेटा हैव यू डन दीज क्वेश्चंस? सो लेट्स डिस्कस अगेन. If A is coded as 1, A को क्या कोड मिला? 1. B is coded as 2, B को 2 कोड मिला. C is coded as 3, C को 3 कोड दिया गया. And so on. How is BENCH coded in that code? Option A 251438, option B 25138, option C 25438, option D 834152. What does it mean बेटा? इस क्वेश्चन का क्या मतलब है? C. With the help of these alphabets I just want to teach you. मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ बेटा, as I told you in the given question also कि A को कोड मिला 1, B को मिला 2, C को मिला 3, तो D को कौन सा कोड मिलेगा? 4. For E code will be 5, for F 6, for G code will be 7, for H 8, for I 9, for J 10, for K 11, for L 12, for M 13, for N 14, for O 15, for P 16, for Q 17, for R 18, for S 19 and for T 20. Clear बेटा? And so on. समझ आ गई बेटा? इससे आगे भी आप दे सकते हो टी के आगे. अब हमें क्या बताना है कि इसमें BENCH को हम कौन सा कोड देंगे? B के लिए बेटा कौन सा कोड है? Which code is given here for B? 2. So for B code is 2. For E code is 5. So we will write 5 here. Okay, for N code is 14, so we will write 14 here. For C code is 3, write 3 here. For H code is 8, so we will write 8 here. Now tell me which option is correct. 2 5 1 4 3 8. Option A is correct. Clear? Have you cross-checked? Question number 2. If A is B, B is C, C is D, D is E, and E is F, how BED is coded? Option A, BED. Option B, DED. Option C, CFE. Option D, EFC. Beta, here, given, as it is given in the question, A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to D, D equal to E, E equal to F. So, B equal to C. Clear? B equal to C, E equal to F, and D equal to E. So, BED equal to CFE. Correct option is C. Answer is CFE and correct option is C. Clear? Question 3. If A is 2, B equal to 4, C equal to 6, and so on, how is BAD coded in that code? Option A 428, option B 214, option C 824, option D 412. Now beta, let's discuss the solution. As given in the question, A equal to 2, B equal to 4, C equal to 6, D equal to 8, so on. Okay, now beta, so here in the given question, BAD, BAD के लिए हमें कौन सा कोड लगाना है? Clear? C. For B, code 4 is given, so we will write 4 here. For A, code 2 is given, so we will write 2 here. For D, code 8 is given, so we will write 8 here. So, for BAD, code is 428 and correct option is A. Clear? Question number 4. If A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, and so on, how is HELLO coded in that code? Option A 8511115. Option B 85121215. Option C 85225. Option D 85212115. Let's discuss the given solution beta. Okay. Now A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, D equal to 4, E equal to 5, F equal to 6, G equal to 7, H equal to 8, I equal to 9, J equal to 10, K equal to 11, L equal to 12, M equal to 13, N equal to 14, O equal to 15, so on. ओके अब बेटा हमें ये बताना है HELLO का कोड क्या होगा. ओके H के लिए कौन सा कोड होगा बेटा? Tell 8. So we will write 8 here. Okay. For E, code will be 5. So we will write 5 here. For L, code is 12. We will write 12 here. Again for L, code is 12. We will write 12 here. For O, code is 15. We will write 15 here. Now, correct code is 85121215. So, which option is correct? B. Okay. Question 5. If BEAN is coded as NAEB, then how CRISCKET is coded in that code? Option A, RICKETC. Option B, TEKCIRC. Option C, CKETCRI. Option D, KETCRIC. Let's discuss the solution. Given question is here BEAN equal to NAEB. That is the word is written in the reverse order. Okay, here see BEAN is written in reverse order. इसको जब हम उल्टा लिखेंगे तो ये क्या बनेगा? NAEB. Similarly, we have to tell कि जो इसमें CRICKET है उसको जब हम उल्टा लिखेंगे रिवर्स में तो वो कैसे लिखेंगे? TEKCIRC by the above given rule. So, which is the correct option? Correct option is B. Clear?